Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Caddy, stock reference number 5769. The shape runs from the 8th month 2010 through to the 6th month 2015. It has a CBZA 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. CBZA 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the bonnet, has no damage. Front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left sliding rear door, no damage, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate has multiple dents on the inside, on the left hand side tailgate. It does also have where the number plate was pulled off. Right tailgate, 2 small dents and multiple dents inside. Right tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front door has no damage, right guard has no damage. Right power door mirror does have some scuffs. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. Manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.